Russia, the largest country on Earth. Stretching from Europe to Asia, it is home to endless taiga forests, snow-covered mountains, and the boundless Siberian plains. This vast and untamed land has turned Russia into a paradise of wildlife, a priceless treasure of nature that humanity must preserve. In the taiga, the symbol of the north, giants hide beneath the thick canopy. The Siberian brown bear, with extraordinary strength, reigns over the forest. In summer, it silently hunts salmon in foaming rivers. In winter, it sinks into a long slumber, waiting for spring to return. But the bear is not alone. Here lives the gray wolf, master hunters, skilled in coordination. They move as a pack, each playing its role, patiently stalking to bring down prey far larger than themselves. And among this scene, the mighty moose appear, gentle giants that add a sense of grace, providing life to many other predators. Further east, Siberia unfolds as a brutal test of survival. Here, the cold can kill within hours, yet nature still produces extraordinary beings. The Amur tiger, the largest tiger in the world, strides with majesty through snowy forests. With only a few hundred left, it is both a symbol of strength and a warning of life's fragility. On sheer rocky cliffs, the snow leopard lurks like a phantom, revealing itself only in a sudden, deadly strike. Above Kamchatka's skies, the stellar sea eagle spreads its colossal wings, hunting salmon with flawless precision, a moment both fierce and magnificent. Amid Siberia's frozen vastness lies a jewel, Lake Baikal, the deepest freshwater lake on Earth. In summer, it shimmers like a giant mirror. In winter, it transforms into a sea of crystal ice. And miraculously, it is home to the Baikal seal, the only freshwater seal species on the planet. These endearing creatures are living proof of evolution's wonders, surviving for thousands of years in mysterious isolation. Across sprawling grasslands and marshes, European bison stand tall like ancient warriors. Once nearly gone from the wild, they have returned thanks to conservation efforts, embodying nature's resilience. Above them, thousands of cranes, swans, and white storks migrate in waves, weaving living clouds across the sky. They carry the breath of life, connecting distant lands through eternal journeys. The wildlife of Russia is truly a grand symphony of nature, where ferocity meets gentleness, where harshness merges with beauty. Yet, as in many parts of our planet, countless species here face the risk of disappearing forever. Poaching, climate change, and habitat loss are pushing them to the brink. Wildlife is not only a priceless natural heritage, but also a cornerstone of ecological balance and of our very survival. If one species vanishes, an entire chain may collapse. Protecting them is, in truth, protecting our own future. Imagine a day when the forests no longer echo with the howl of wolves, when rivers no longer bear the tracks of the brown bear, and when Siberia's skies are empty of soaring eagles. It would be a world barren and impoverished. That is why each of us, wherever we may be, holds a responsibility. Let us cherish nature. Let us act together to create safe habitats for wildlife, so that the icons of Russia and of our planet will endure, continuing to inspire generations to come. Russia's wildlife, a treasure of nature. Let us protect it so that this symphony will resound for eternity.